Have you ever felt like life was passing you by while your potential remained untouched? Like deep down, you were meant for more, but something held you back? This is your 4-minute Stoic wake-up call. How long are you going to wait before you demand the best for yourself? Said Epictetus. The truth is, the best version of yourself is not found in waiting. It's built in action today. Number 1. Awaken the power within. Personal growth and self-empowerment are essential for unlocking our true potential. It's crucial not to let our abilities remain dormant. Instead, we should take action and fully engage with life. By embracing challenges, we can cultivate resilience and confidence, setting the stage for transformative experiences that lead to a more fulfilling existence. Number 2. Live like time matters. Each day is a precious gift, and it's vital to treat it as such. Instead of complaining about circumstances, focus on personal growth and the opportunities that lie ahead. Remember, life is fleeting. Embrace every moment and live fully, taking immediate steps toward becoming the best version of yourself. Number 3. Master the present moment. Handling today's challenges is crucial for personal growth. Let go of worries about tomorrow and focus on the present moment. By staying mindful, you can fully engage with the task at hand, leading to greater clarity and effectiveness. Remember, today is the day for action. Seize the opportunity to make progress. Number 4. Grow through what you go through. Challenges play a vital role in personal development, as they often make us stronger through adversity. Embrace these difficulties as opportunities for growth, allowing them to shape your character. Remember, resilience is key. It's not just about facing challenges, but also about choosing how to respond and learn from each experience. Number 5. Choose your response. Shape your life. Choosing our response to situations is crucial, as external factors should never dictate our internal reactions. Emphasize the power of selecting strength, courage, and virtue in the face of adversity. Remember, personal choices significantly shape our journey, guiding us toward growth and fulfillment, regardless of the challenges we encounter along the way. If you're drawn to these timeless lessons, consider subscribing to the Stoic Code. Join a community grounded in ancient wisdom and daily transformation. Number 6. Lead with kindness, live with strength. Kindness and collaboration are invaluable for personal growth. Working together not only fosters a supportive environment, but also enhances our individual development. Amidst challenges, maintaining serenity allows us to approach situations with clarity. Remember, acts of kindness often lead to better outcomes, creating a positive ripple effect in our lives and communities. You don't grow by avoiding life. You grow by meeting it with open eyes and a grounded heart. Take action. Embrace the hard things. Because every moment you rise, you rewrite your story. Be kind, stay strong, grow consistently, and above all, live deliberately. If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Epictetus. Until next time, walk your path with courage and live by the Stoic Code.